Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. This is DELA, the MarketGod, the gold specialist, right? Yes, I actually just added another one to my name, the gold specialist, right? Now, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually backtest for free. Now, I have a lot of beginner traders who tell me that, hey, are there any tools that can help me to backtest for free? Because on TradingView, if I do not pay, I can only backtest on the daily time frame. And of course, everyone is starting off as a scalper and as a day trader, so it's important to go within those time frames and then learn how to backtest your system so that you can build that edge in whatever that you do. I want you to understand that when it comes to backtesting, it is very, very important in your journey of trading. Backtesting actually helps you to build an edge in the market. Now, without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. Let me show you how you can actually backtest for free. Yes, I mean it's completely free. Let's get right at it. Now, the most important thing that you want to do is you want to be logging in into your Exness trading platform. Now, if you're not using Exness, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to sign up using Exness. If you've never heard of Exness, no problem. All you need to do is to go into my YouTube description box, click on the link where you see my recommended Exness broker and sign up as usual. I have a video on how to actually sign up using the Exness trading platform. Now, the second thing you want to do is that after you've opened up your account, right? Now, let's say that you've actually opened out your account, you're going to see a personal area. Now, when you click on trade, all right, what I want you to do is click on Exness trading terminal, right? Now, once you're done, it's going to open up a platform for you, something like this on my chart, right? Now, you realize that you can learn how to, set everything up for yourself. Currently, all the candles are yellow, but let's say you want to, set it up. So let me quickly do that and then follow me as we do this.
A couple of pips and all my bills get paid. Send a letter to my family, say mama, your son made it. Seize on the market, you can call me. Yeah, I'm a MarketGod and I'm making gold. I'm giving prophecies on the market.
So now there's a difference between the bullish candles and the bearish candles. In this case, my bearish candles are red and my bullish candles are actually blue. So you're going to see a replay tool over here, as you guys can see it. Now this replay tool actually gives us the option. Now we are done. My bullish candles are blue and my bearish candles are red. So let's say we actually want to backtest, right? Now I'm going to be teaching you guys a simple break and retest strategy using this particular software. So when it comes to the break and retest strategy, all you need to do is you want to identify a strong area of support and resistance. So for example, let's say this is the price point of the market currently, right? When there's a break of the structure, we want to be waiting for the market to pull back into that structure, show us bullish indications, and then we'll continue to the upside, right? It's as simple as that. At any time price breaks below a structure, we want to wait for price to retest that structure and continue to the downside. It's as simple as that, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to be looking for very clear scenarios within this particular area. Now you can see, let me just go back into time and then show you exactly what I am talking about. Now, if you look at this area in the market currently, right, we can see that this market is clearly moving to the downside, right? Now, if we are to click on this replay tool and then, click on this particular area, it's going to show us that this market is currently starting from this particular point, which is the 11th of May 2023. Now, if we are to look at structure, we are going to identify this area as a clean area of structure as well, right? Now, if we are to replay our tool, right, we can click on this and we can see clearly how price has done what? How price has pulled back into that area, right? And then what? Is continuing down back into that area, right? So now let's use the replay tool again and let's see what exactly we did. So at this point, I'm going to be waiting for what? A retest, right? A break, and then a retest, and then what? A continuation, right? So I'm not just going to be jumping in the market as soon as I see a break. No, I'm not going to do that. So you're going to click on this forward tool. The more you click on it, it's going to move a candle at a time, depending on the time frame that you are. So now we have seen a solid break. So now what will I be looking for? I will be looking for what? A retest back. Now, as I'm looking for the retest, I'm looking for what? Strong bearish indications that's going to tell me that, hey, it's time for me to sell. Now, if you have to actually look at this particular setup, it's actually a strong indication that it's time for us to enter this selling opportunity, right? If you look at this particular indication right over here, so playing and understanding your candlesticks are super important. Now let's say we actually decided to enter this trade at this short position over here and have our stop loss below this structure and our TP maybe a good risk to reward of 1:2. Now let's see how this trade actually played out. So as simple as that, this is a simple break and retest. Now if you want to backtest, it simply means taking this particular system and then going back into time to see whether this particular system plays out as it is. Now let me give you guys another example. Now let's look at this particular area. So I'm going to click on this replay tool again, right? And I'm going to go back into time, right? So if I'm to go back into time, I'm going to, let's say, click on this particular area over here. Now, where is the most, recent structure or area of support and resistance? We could see that this was a resistance and then price finally did what? Break above this resistance. So as a trader, we are waiting for the market to come back into that resistance that has been broken, which is now called support. And then we are going to look for bullish indications to jump in on this market and then take a trade. So now let's see what is going to happen as well. So we are waiting, no indication. That is why patience is a key in this market, right? You don't want to be chasing the market. You want to align with your system, and backtesting is going to help you do that. So we're going to be waiting, and finally price comes into our level, right? And then we are going to look for that strong bullish indication. Now that strong bullish indication could have been this one right here over here. And we're going to have our take profit at the next high and our stop loss at the next level. Now let's see how this actually played out as well. Boom! This was a beautiful TP hit. Now you can learn from this that if you continue practicing and practicing, you are going to find out certain key informations that is going to help you to build an edge in this market. So it's as simple as that. I hope you guys love this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. My name is DELA, the Market God, the Gold Specialist. Peace out.